Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a soft, stable work surface and gathering a small spring bar tool or thin flathead in good light. This protects the crystal and gives control. Place the watch face down and orient the lugs so you can see the spring bar shoulder. Now, stabilize the case with one hand and use the tool to compress the spring bar toward the center of the band. This releases tension and lets one end slip from the lug hole. Once the end clears, ease the band away. You'll now address differences. If the band has a quick-release lever, slide it and lift the strap free. If it's a traditional spring bar, compress and retract the bar into the strap to clear the lug. For metal bracelets, push out the end link pin with a pin pusher, then separate the clasp. Work one link at a time. Make sure to protect case edges with tape or a holder, and when a bar feels stuck, apply steady pressure rather than jerking to avoid bending or scarring components. You finish by fitting the new band. Place the spring bar through the strap's end, seat one shoulder into the lug hole, then compress the opposite shoulder and guide it into place until it clicks. Once seated, make sure the strap moves freely but is firmly retained. Give a gentle tug and rotate the band through its range to confirm. If alignment or seating fails, use magnification and more light or swap tools if damage or severe resistance persists. Get a jeweler to prevent bending bars or scratching the case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.